weekend? Well, for the most part, dry and fine. There's just the chance of something coming along on Sunday, and I'll explain that one in just a second. But Saturday, pretty standard fare, dry and fine for the most part across England and Wales. Northern Ireland, a crop of showers, so too the southwestern corner of Scotland, and a fresher feel to the day. Sunday, well, it's this weather front which will gradually track its way down towards the southeast, but a wet start to the day, no doubt about it, across the northern half of the British Isles, and quite windy conditions, a lot of isobars there too. So quite a bit of rain, but as this front works its way towards the southeast, it will tend to become a band of cloud with maybe the odd spot of something, not much more than that. More details online. From me, I wish you a peaceful night.
From Ipswich.
Northern Ireland, and I think it'll feel just a little bit fresher as well, so that's pretty good news, I think, for some of us who've been struggling with the heat, particularly by night. But before that happens, probably a little bit more stormy activity to come potentially in the southeast, and this line of cloud here could bring us some rain as well, much needed rain for the gardens, although I can't promise a great deal, except from the odd thunderstorm which may well break out across eastern England overnight. Further north, some showers still continuing towards the northwest as well, some heavy ones, but in between dry, fairly fresh already elsewhere, but we will notice temperatures a little lower across the southeast and East Anglia. Still potentially a few storms to clear here first thing in the morning, and then most of the action is further north and west. So although it looks dry and bright for many across the southwest of England, there will be a scattering of showers during the day. Temperatures on a par with today as well. It's a similar picture across Wales, not a bad day at all. Some showers over the hills. Now, there will be more cloud for Northern Ireland. Scattered showers will potentially turn to longer spells of rain later in the afternoon. There's the split that I talked about. And it's also going to be quite a windy day, so that wind will usher in the rain across northwest Scotland, the Highlands and Islands as well. But further east across Scotland, despite the breeze, we should have some good spells of sunshine holding on. 1 or 2 showers for northwest England, probably not that many penetrating into the northeast of England. And once any early shower activity is cleared from Kent, well, hopefully it should be a fine day here. And notably, temperatures a little lower. So good news for the ladies' Wimbledon final. And in fact, it should stay fine as well on Sunday, just a little bit fresher, not quite as humid almost. See, the rain through tomorrow night really takes shape for Scotland and Northern Ireland, potentially 30 millimetres here, but it will tend to fizzle out as it comes south, 10 or 15 for parts of Wales and the north of England. But with that sunshine in the south, again, I just need to remind you there will be high levels of UV. So some rain on offer, which is just what we need at the moment, but some sunshine as well, strong sunshine at that. Just not enough rain where we need it down here in the south and the east as well, Fiona.